Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Todd. So today we're making mac and cheese. So let's get our ingredients and let's get ready. For our mac and cheese, we're going to need elbow pasta, butter, flour, milk, half and half, shredded sharp cheddar, shredded Gouda, and if you're not able to find any Gouda, you can use Gruyere, Swiss, or white cheddar, some salt, pepper, and paprika. Alright, so for our mac and cheese, we're going to need to take our Gouda and we're going to dump this into a bowl along with our shredded cheddar. And then we're going to give this a good mix. And then we are going to sort these into 3 bowls. We're going to need a cup and a half for one of the layers of the mac and cheese when we start assembling it. Each a cup and a half. And then the remaining cheese we're going to use for our cheese sauce. So now that we've got this all sorted out, let's move on to our sauce. Alright, so we've got us a large pot that we've heated up over a medium-high heat. We're going to add in our butter and we're going to let this melt down. And once this is melted, we're going to turn around and add in our flour. So we'll be right back. As you can see, our butter has melted down. So now we're going to slowly add in our flour while we're whisking. And we're going to get this fully incorporated, and we're going to make sure and get any lumps out. And then we're going to let this cook for about a minute or so, and then we're going to start adding in our cheese. Alright, so we're going to start adding in our milk in half and half, and we're going to slowly add a little bit of each. And we're going to continually stir while we're adding it in. Alright, so now we're going to add in the rest of our milk. And the rest of our half and half. I'm going to let this go for a minute or two. And it comes up to temp. And we'll be right back. Alright, so we're going to add in our spices, our salt, pepper, and paprika, and we're going to give that a whisk to make sure that gets fully incorporated. And then we're going to add in our cheese. We're going to do this in a little bit at a time. Let her stir. You want that to get melted. Whoops, making a mess. And at this point we can actually go ahead and turn off the heat. Alright, so that looks good. We're going to add in the rest of our cheese. Get that all mixed up. All right, now we need to get this mixed in with our pasta. So let me get over to the pasta and we'll be right back. All right, so we've got our pasta, which we've cooked according to the directions on the package. And to this, we're going to pour in our cheese sauce. And we want to get every bit out. Set this out of the way. And we're going to give this a good stir. Make sure all the pasta is coated with the cheese sauce. Alright, get this out of the way. Move this over to the side. We're going to get us a 9 by 13 baking dish. And we're going to coat it with some cooking spray. And we're going to take roughly half of our pasta mixture and put in a bowl. And spread it out. And then we're going to take one of the other portions of cheese and we're going to sprinkle this across the bottom. Alright, then we're going to take the rest of our pasta and cheese sauce and pour this across the top. Let me spread that out. A little bit more of that sauce that's left in there. Okay. Excuse me. Then we're going to take our last bit of cheese and we're going to spread this across the top. There we go. And this is going to go in a 325 degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes till it's bubbly and golden brown. All right, so our mac and cheese is done. Let's go ahead and get her some out. Careful. Oh, and there we go. Nice crunchy top. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, new videos are posted every Tuesday at 4 o'clock. And remember, like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, enjoy.